Oh, I fucking pressed a slow ass button. I hesitated.
Round 4. Fight.
Oh, I crouched. Nice. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Oh, you have a low heat smash. I pressed red kicks. I'm I got fucked on. I don't think I could have spring kicked from that position. I think I was like faced away or something.
Round
He's locked
1.
in.
Fight.
Ouch. No. After that knee, I have to duck. Damn. I really went for the grab, and I killed.
Round 2. Fight.
I got fucked on. I don't think I could have spring kicked from that position. I think I was like faced away or something.
Round
He's locked
1.
in.
Fight.
Ouch. No. After that knee, I have to duck. Damn. I really went for the grab, and I killed.
Round 2. Fight.
Oops.
Round 3. Fight.
I stuck. Oh, I'm dead. He's 13. Just gotta be a little patient.
Round 4. Fight.
Oh! Did my internet go out? Please don't tell me it went out. Uh-oh. Oops.
Round 3. Fight.
Nice stuff. Oh, I'm dead. He's 13. Just gotta be a little patient.
Round 4. Fight.
Oh! Did my internet go out? Please don't tell me it went out. Uh-oh. No, you were winning too. I was locked in, I was ready to... Oops. What the hell? Oh, Fran is on. Yes. Wi-Fi user. Am I right, guys? JP. Damn, the int. What's good, Vigilant? What you been up to today? Playing Marvel Rivals? I'll play like a first to 3. Grand final set. Yo, thanks for the follow, Ulysses. Just rivaling. Who do you play in Rivals, Vigilant? Yeah, but I do have a first to 3 in me, Shido. If you're hopping back on. Got a 5 reset? What's fat baba? Yeah, first to 3. Would you like to call around? Are you working on putting the wire in? For sure, for sure. Hit a tank with, I'm not buying with any of them? Really? I love the hell out of Venom. Venom is stupid fun. Venom is stupid fun. Doctor Strange is really strong too. He hits like a truck. And his utility is nice. I like Thor. I'm learning Thor a little bit. Captain America is like a cheese pick, low key. Who else? Hulk is like meh. Who else is a Penny. Penny's a fun tank. Shido put me on Penny. Or is it Shido? Who put me on Penny? I think it was Shido. Cash posting another clip. Let's see. Just saw it. Let me watch this clip real quick. Demon Paw. Holy shit. Yes! Okay, that was cool. I mean that was alright. I gotta be nonchalant. That was okay. That was pretty nice actually. Good job. I mean, second Penny. Okay. What happened to Shido? Yeah, it's aight. No, that's dude, that shit is hard. I can only get the first knee. Now you don't know? Little calm clip. Calm little clip. Are you for real? No way. I gotta get my get back for those matches. I need to destroy you. Yeah. I need to destroy Shido. I gotta show him that no matter how much he trains, I'm just gonna be one step ahead. No, just... Okay. Idea the tempo? Got it. Aye, Captain. 30th. I gotta put a serious skin on. Let's put Okaroon. I'm gonna play at lightning fast speed. You need to play more, honestly. Gotta like the fuck. Also, my OBS is bugging, so I need an excuse to record something. Ooh,
Get
nice.
ready for the next battle.
You gonna fix your... What the fuck? I will restart the lobby. We'll try one more.